Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to merge column in Google Docs. Let's get started. Insert the table, go to Insert menu, Table, select the row and column and click. Select a column and right click on the column and merge cell, or you can select two columns at a time and right click on the table and cell merge. You can undo merge. Select the column and right click on the column and click unmerge. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.